What's up, glow girlies? I'm back with another natural glow recipe. Today I'm making something with star anises, so let's bring it in. First, I'm taking a bowl of star anises because we all know they're amazing because it supports a healthier glow over time. So I'm taking a saucepan and adding 1 spoon of star anises into it. Next, I'm taking cloves because cloves are known for helping with oily and acne-prone skin. Taking 1 tablespoon of cloves. After that, I'm adding 1 green tea bag. And if you love skincare, then you probably already know how popular green tea is in beauty routines. Now pouring about 200 ml of water and mixing everything together. Wow, the combination already smells so relaxing and fresh. Let the mixture simmer properly, then placing it on the stove and letting it boil for about 5 to 6 minutes so the water can absorb all the amazing benefits properly. Tell me in the comments where are my glow girls watching from. And truthfully, glow girls, homemade skincare moments like this feel so calming sometimes. Off to the stove. Now I'm separating all the ingredients from the water to get a clean and refreshing liquid. A blink and done reminder, girlies. Stress shows on the skin too, so don't forget to rest, drink your water, and take good care of yourself as well. Just look at that color, it looks so rich and soothing. Then I'm transferring it into a spray bottle because it makes the toner super easy and refreshing to use. And just like that, a refreshing Star Anise toner is finally ready. I gotta be honest with you, glow girls, simple skincare and self-care moments can feel so relaxing sometimes. If you are loving this glow recipe so far, don't forget to support your girl with a like and subscribe. See, you don't always need complicated routines for a fresh healthy glow. So easy to make. Alright, glow girlies, now it's time for the oil recipe. First, I'm taking a bowl of cloves and adding 1 tablespoon of cloves into a glass bowl. Cloves are amazing for refreshing the skin and may help with oily and acne-prone skin over time. Then, I'm adding 1 spoon of star anises because they're known for helping the skin look more fresh and healthy. Now, I'm gonna pour about 100 ml of olive oil because olive oil helps deeply moisturize and makes the skin feel soft and nourished. I'm giving it a water bath for about 35 to 45 minutes so all the ingredients can slowly infuse into the oil and release their amazing benefits properly. Not gonna lie, homemade oils like these feel so luxurious sometimes. Well girls, quick little reminder. Oral hygienes matter way more than we think. Like honestly, a clean smile just makes you feel fresher and more confident. So don't forget to brush properly, clean your tongue and drink enough water too. And please change your brushes regularly because old toothbrushes collect so many germs. Little clean habits honestly make such a big difference. Healthy smile, healthy glow. After 35 to 45 minutes, I'm taking it off the water bath and letting it cool slightly. Then straining everything really well to separate all the cloves and star anises from the oil so we get a clean and smooth texture. And honestly, the oil already looks so rich and nourishing. Look, rate this video from 1 to 10 in the comments. Finally, I'm transferring it into an airtight glass jar to keep it fresh and easy to store. And just like that, our nourishing clove and star anise oil is finally ready. Tell me in the comments which DIY remedy should I try next? Stay glowing, glow girls. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.